Okay, so we're back.
They sent us the wrong shipment. It's just full of plastic explosions during the program, so we'll close it up again. Oh, Fiji time. Always an hour later.
1 hour.
More.
We got to do a sound check soon, huh? Do we have those headsets?
Gotcha.
So, you got to get everything switched on. Hey. Shh, don't shush
That's
me.
what that means.
What?
That Fiji time means you have more time.
Yeah, Fiji time means you have more time, right, Dan?
Yes.
See? They get like...
Give me a microphone, I'll answer the question.
Who wants a microphone? Okay, so we just finished all our sound checks, and you can probably see everybody walking over to the building here. That's where it takes place, in there. Bam. And we're gonna, can't show you inside, but we're gonna get this show on the road.